Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can make a new stack of notebooks in your workspace on Evernote. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on Evernote and head over to the notebook section. You may also expand it if you like. So let's assume you have several of these notebooks saved in your workspace. You may expand these and see the notes that have been saved within the given notebook. And you can do the same with notebooks. You can save them within one stack, for example, to organize your workspace. So to do that, guys, create a new notebook, or let me use this one here. And what you want to do is click into the three dots here, more actions. And after that, select add to stack and new stack here. Give the stack a name. Click into create, and that's basically it. So let me go with group 1. And there you go. Now you can expand this stack or group of notebooks and you will see all notebooks listed below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.